In this video, learn how to make an unconventional lamp with a broken charger cable. Using iron wire, you can condition your charger wire. We fix the wire from the lower part of the cable to the upper part, which takes some time. Using a tool, we separate the extra part. We will connect and lead that is the color of your choice. Use solder to secure the connection. In this part, using thermal glue, we make a mask for the LED. We use water for better modality of hot glue, which is an important point. Now we will try our unconventional lamp. You can make this lamp as an unconventional sleeping lamp. Subscribe to the channel for strange and interesting ideas. Thank you for watching.